Good morning, everyone. Yeah, today it's really early. It's like 5:30 in the morning, and I just woke up. And the reason why I woke up really early is for today's video, we're gonna do a day in a life vlog with my long hair. And yeah, I'm gonna show you everything that's happened within my day and what I do. But yeah, today I'm gonna do a lot, so bear with me. So yeah, the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm just going to take out this braid. I'm going to detangle it, and I'm gonna braid it again, like French braid or Dutch braid, I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, right after I wake up, I take out the braids that I did last night, and then I brush it out till all the knots and tangles are out of my hair, and then I braid it like Dutch braid. I don't know if this is French braid because I'm not knowledgeable with braids, but yeah, I just braid it out, like not really neat, but yeah, I'm not good at braiding, but this is what it'll look like right after I braid it. Yeah, so now it's time for me to wash my face. Okay guys, so this is what I'm planning to do. Yesterday I started cleaning this tree, like the base of it. Like I have no picture to show you, but this is really dirty yesterday, and I cleaned it, and I didn't finish it because it was really dark and it's starting to get really late. So our goal right now is to finish this, but yeah, this is still a lot of work. So let's start. Let's start cleaning. So yeah guys, now I'm done cleaning the base of this pandan tree. As you can see, it's pretty much cleaner than where I started, but yeah, there's still a lot of vines up there, but yeah, I couldn't reach it, that's why it's not polished, but this is what it's looking like right now. But yeah, I know that those vines are gonna dry it up really soon, so I don't need to worry about them. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Yeah, I would say I did a decent job, because look at this part is really clean, but yeah, when you look up it is not. But yeah, looking pretty good. So yeah guys, I just clipped my hair up because it's getting really annoying. But yeah, I decided that I'm gonna make an aloe vera treatment for my hair, because I've done that a long time ago and I need to get a treatment again, and I want it organic, but I don't know if I have aloe vera. Oh my god, these chickens are, you see them? All right, so wait, I think I have one here. I have aloe vera right here, but the problem is I don't think that they are planted. Like, look at that, they're not even planted. Look at this one. This one is a baby, and it doesn't even have any roots. So I think I should plant this first. I have a bags right here, so I think I'm just gonna use this. Guys, I really need the leaves, so even though I just planted them, yeah, I'm gonna get their leaves. Alright, I think 2 is enough, because I don't want to disturb this plant that much. I don't want it to be stressed. Or maybe 3 leaves, I don't know. 2 is enough, right? This seems really small. Alright, maybe let's do a tree. Aloe vera is really easy to grow, so I don't mind getting this stressed. So yeah, we have 30 leaves. Alright, now I'm just going to like soak this in water to get like the bad stuff in this. So yeah. So what I did is I just chopped the aloe vera leaves in chunks and then soak it in water for a few minutes. Alright, so now that I'm soaking the aloe vera, I think I still have the time to clean this. Because look at them. It's really overgrown, and yeah, I have a rubber plant right here and you can't really see them because it's really overgrown, and I really need to clean this. So yeah. Guys, I'm so freaking dumb. I just cut myself and oh my god, it looks really bad. Guys, I think this is my sign to stop because I literally took like a flesh out of my finger, and that's really bad. Like it doesn't hurt that bad, but I think it's gonna hurt eventually, but right now it's not hurting. But I literally like cut my finger. Alright, so yeah, I think this is my sign to stop, and I'm just gonna rest for a while, and yeah. I think that's the highest I can go. Whistle, let's try. That's really squeaky, but that's C7. So let's try low notes. I think D2 is my lowest. I don't know. D2, E, and then C7. I think that's a good range, don't you think? Like, that's almost like four octaves? I don't know. Guys, I'm gonna try Vampire because that's really popular. Like, yeah. So yeah. I used to think I was smart, but you made me look so naive. The way you sold me for parts, you sunk your teeth into me. That sucker fame, bleeding me dry like a goddamn vampire. I'm gonna try lato. Alright. Whoa! I did it so fast, didn't I? Guys. That didn't work. That hurts. Okay, I'm gonna stop. So after all that mess, I came back with my aloe vera, and what I did is I split it in half, and then I used a comb to extract the aloe vera gel, and this is what we are going to use for our hair treatment for today. So yeah. So yeah, after I extract my aloe vera gel, I just detangle my hair and then I like brush it out with a comb, and after that I just simply just apply it on my ends. But yeah, you should focus on your scalp too because it helps with hair growth, but I'm not looking for that. So after I apply it evenly, I just put a bag over my head and I think it's ready to go. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna let this soak for like 30 minutes and I'm gonna take a shower and get this out of my head. But yeah,
a few moments later.
so guys, now I'm done taking my bath, so I'm just gonna take out my hair. Yeah, so right after my shower, I just brush my hair with comb and I just split it in half and then continue brushing it until all the knots and tangles are out of my hair. And if you want a like shower routine hair video, you know, I can totally do that for you guys. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna let this air dry. And as you can see, my hair is a lot longer when it's wet. So yeah, this is when I like measure my hair when it's really wet. Should I measure it? I don't know how long my hair is right now, but should I show you how I measure it? Okay, I think I will. So yeah, I just use a tape measure and then I grab a piece right here in the front, and then I put this in my scalp, and then I lay this on top of the tape measure and then just follow it until the ends. Yeah, just follow it until there. So right now my hair is around 24 inches. Oh my gosh guys, my hair is around 24 inches right now. My hair is growing faster. It was kind of unexpected because the last time I measured my hair is like 23 and now it's 24, so it has grown really fast. I don't know, maybe because it's wet, that's why it like grows longer super fast. But yeah, time for lunch. Guys, this is quite embarrassing, but I overslept. Like now it's like 8 p.m. and I was actually planning to do like karaoke in the afternoon, but I freaking overslept. So now I don't know what to do, and I don't think I show you like enough of what I did in a day, but I don't know, I just sleep. I guess, but this never happened before. Yeah, so actually about the update on my hair, it is significantly like softer. Like I haven't even brushed my hair, but I will show you guys what it looked like in the back. But as you can see, it was really soft. Like it was significantly softer. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna have my dinner and I'm gonna show you guys what I do to my hair in the night, and I think that's the only thing that I can show you guys. But yeah, throughout the day I just sing and sing and sing, and I don't wanna like show you that because you know it's gonna be so chaotic. Then after my dinner, I just do my nighttime
hair care routine. I have a video on that, so if you guys want to check that out, you can definitely check that out. But yeah, I just braid it like that, and I just oil it, and that's how simple it is. Then this is how my hair look like after I braid it. Now I'm ready to sleep.
So that's everything that's happened within my day, and if you think that my life is pretty boring, hit that like button because I think it really was boring. But yeah, I think I just need to get some sleep because I'm really tired and I really want to go to bed. So I think this is the end of the video. Bye guys, thank you for watching, and I hope I see you on the next video. Bye!